And the chair that I've been using wasn't a gaming chair and didn't have any lumbar support, and it started to give me some problems, so I decided to get a new one. So one of the things I look for in a chair is the customizability of it, because you want to make sure you get the ability to get the right gaming position or the right office desk position, because it's just in a gaming chair, you could use it in your office. And that's always difficult, especially when you're looking just on websites. So I decided to do this video to give you an idea of what this Vancel chair is like and what you could expect if you're looking to buy it yourselves. Put all the links to all the detail in the description for buying it, all my reviews, things like that. Check them out. I also do a Beardedbob website, so go and check that out as well, which is good for comparison for gaming mice, keyboards and mouse pads that I do as well. So there's no wobble in this frame. Once it's assembled, make sure the screws are tight, sit on it a bit, get off, tighten the screws up again. And once that's done, the chair is very secure. There's no wobble in the back. There's no wobble in the base of it, which can be a problem. This one is very, very sturdy. So be assured that once you get it, you can have a nice firm seating position here. The seat itself's got a lot of padding. There's loads of padding in the base. The sides, which some of them can dig in. I've had a few racing chairs in my time, and the sides can dig in. And on this one, they don't, including the shoulders. There's not as much support in the top headrest part, but overall the support in this chair is very good for cushioning. You should be able to sit in here for a long period of time. I certainly have, although it looks like I've just done it straight after the assembly here. I haven't. I've had it for a good few days now, and I've been sitting in it doing a lot of video editing and a lot of gaming, and I've had no problems whatsoever. So what kind of things can you expect? Well, you've got a decent footrest. I don't use the footrest because I haven't got the space to do that. But if you wanted to have a sleep on your desk, you could certainly do that if you wanted to, if you've got that space and you don't want to get away from your PC. The armrests themselves can go up and down, and you've also got a slight tilt in, about 25 degrees in and 25 degrees out if you want to move the armrests to adjust them slightly for yourself. I'm personally going to take them off because it's not really for me. I don't use armrests, but some people will. I know that going forward. The base, I like the base because it's got white combination on it as well, which is good to see. So it fits into the gaming setup. It's not just a black base. You've got the ability to have two cushions. You've got one for a neck rest and one for a lumbar support. I'm not using the neck rest, but I am using the lumbar support, and that's because, like I say, I like my back to be nice and straight. I do like how straight this back can go. In fact, it can push me really far forward if I want it to, so I can get the really, really straight back on it, which I do enjoy. I don't like having any slouch in it for me. And one of the problems I was having with the chair that I had previously to this was that I couldn't have it vertically. It would have a slight decline on the back, and this one doesn't do that, which is great. It's fully height adjustable, what you'd expect, and the levers on the right-hand side. And other than that, the chair itself is built really well. The stitching's good. It's made out of a faux leather. Like I said, it's got decent padding, and the overall quality of this, as you can see in the video, is a good chair here. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, something slightly different. Hope it gives you an idea of what kind of gaming chair this is if you're looking to look at it and buy one. And I look forward to seeing you in the next review. Catch you later. See you soon. Bye bye.